up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop, and welcome to issue 52 of Build the Legendary Cyborg ROBOCOP from our good old friends over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this and build along with me, head over to this link here. There's a clickable version in the description below. That will take you to the Fanhome website where you can see all the details about this model and you can subscribe. It's 1/3 scale, mostly die cast, and you're not going to be disappointed, folks. You really aren't. It is stunning. So let's have a quick scope through the magazine. There's the history of the ROBOCOP movie section. Gives you loads of decent, concise detail about the background of the movies, key facts and things like that. So give them a read, folks. This is what we've got today. This is our waist section number 2. You've got another lower lumbar support joint, you've got an inner waistband, and you've got some screws. So this is going to start coming together, and then you'll grab the piece from the previous issue that we did, issue 51, which is there, and then we'll be fitting that inside as well. And this is where it's going to go on your ROBOCOP, the inner waistband. Okay, so literally out of all of this, all you're going to see is this tiny little ridge down the bottom there. Next up, we've got 100 years of robots even, folks. Yes, look at this lot, eh? What a development there has been coming through in technology. It is phenomenal how it's gone in it. You've got living concrete, self-repairing material for buildings of the future. That's interesting, isn't it? Where if there's cracks and that form, it basically repairs itself. Unbelievable technology, folks. More cutting line technology there, which is all the infrastructure preservation, graphene, concrete, things of that nature. So give it a read, folks. You're going to learn so much in the background there. Right, let's flip back through the magazine. Let's grab our parts for pack 52. We'll get that opened up and then we'll lay it all on the bench. All right, folks, this is what we've got. This is our waistband section. Okay, and we've got our inner section there. Now we want it with its prong or fork or lip or whatever you want to call it at the bottom there, folks, okay? And this looking like an upside down flower pot. And then we're going to lay this on top of it. Okay, so it's going to go somewhere like so. We've got these little recesses. They're going to go in these 2 raised pegs. And then the one at the back is going to fall into place on the 3rd one, okay? Like so. 1, 2 and 3 pegs that you can see underneath. Okay, so let's get the screws in place for that. Usual bit of oil on all the screws just to help them on their merry way. So we'll get the first one in, which is back up there. So let's grab that, get that in situ, and then it'll make it easier for us then to show you where the next screws go, which are these 2 posts here, number 1, number 2. Okay, same process. Pick up the screw, little bit of oil, and then we'll put them in place. I'll just rest my screwdriver on my knuckle just to guide the screw in the hole. Like so. And then we'll do the same on that one. Pop. Again, rest it on my knuckle. Whack it into situ. There you go, and just go around. Give them all a little nip, just so that they bite. And that's that in place, okay? Now that's in place, we've got our next section here, which is this little waist section we built last time out. And we want it with this little prong poking towards us, okay, at midnight. And that is going to rest in there. And then the 2 little ears that have got a little rebate in them there, as you can see, they're going to sit over these bottom 2 posts, okay? Literally just like so. Okay. And then they're fastened in place with 2 BB screws. So let's grab those, put a bit of oil on them, and we'll get this in place and finished. Okay. So let's just rest my thumb on there, my screwdriver in place, and then we can start putting the screw in. And again, just nip it up so that the screw head goes against the leading edge. Won't fully tighten it until the second screw's in place. And then again, we'll just nip them up so that it's biting. That's all you want. Don't want to over tighten it because you'll strip the thread out of the plastic. There you go. Just nip it. Like so. And that is that section finished, folks, for today. And it's ironic when you look at the instructions there. This is what we're doing. See this little black line going across there? That is actually this little piece. That's what you see. All of this is concealed by the outer covers and ribbing. Okay, so that little black line is represented on there. That's what you've got today. So don't forget, folks, if you want to grab this and build along with me, head over or follow this link to the Fanhome website. There is a clickable link in the description below. And take out a subscription for this iconic character from the movies, RoboCop. Okay? If you could do me a favour, folks, and click the little old fester in the bottom corner there. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is free. Costs nothing. Does me a huge favour and helps me grow my channel. And whilst you're there, just give that little bell a ring and select all, and that will let you know and become notified of future content that goes up on the channel. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.